playing with our teddies.
Anais and I have been chatting to see what exercises they've enjoyed so far in our ballet class.
Lion and Little Sloth joined in our marches in the last class. This time, Baby Bear and Pink Bunny would like to join in an exercise too.
That is a good idea.
Do you have a teddy or toy that you love? They are such good friends to have, don't you think?
They are. Well, it's time for us to begin our ballet class.
Let's put you back so you're nice and comfortable.
Yeah, so they can watch our class today.
I'll put them away.
Would you like your teddy bear to sit and watch our ballet class too?
And they can join in some dancing later.
In today's class, we have lots of new exercises to do, and we'll be practicing some of our old exercises as well.
Let's get started. We begin with our breathing.
We place our hands on our hearts, close our eyes, and breathe deeply.
Deep breath, in and out. And in and out. One more time. Deep breath in and out.
Let's bring our magic out of our hearts to begin our class.
Oh, there's our Wonderwall! Would you like to say hello to our Wonderwall?
Let's all do it together. Ready?
1, 2, 3! Hello, Wonderwall! We are so happy to see you today. I think we're going to have a fun class, don't you?
Now let's begin our class today by warming up our feet.
We have a new exercise for you today, so try it with us.
We'll start with our hands on our hips, our feet together in parallel, and... Oh wait, yes, Wonderwall?
Oh yes, acrobatics! Let's get our posture lovely and tall, ready for our dancing today.
Let's enter our code.
Beep, 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 whoop!
Perfect, now we're ready to begin. Up to Demi-pointe, and up to your big toe. Warming up our feet. Great job, everyone. Let's repeat it. Up to Demi-pointe, and up to your big toe. Up to Demi-pointe, and up to your big toe.
Let's get our legs warmed up, just like our marches. Great job, everyone. You're doing so well.
Now we demi-plie and stretch up. Demi-plie and stretch up.
2 slow rises. Start again.
Demi-pointe and stretch up to your big toe. Demi-pointe and stretch up to your big toe. Again, demi-pointe and stretch up to your big toe. Demi-pointe and stretch up to your big toe. Great job, everyone. Let's warm up our fingers and arms now. We need to sit down for this exercise.
Esha, I have a fun idea for our finger warm-up today.
What is it?
Let's pretend we have some beautiful rings on our fingers and we can watch them sparkle throughout the exercise.
Rings! That would be nice. Let me think. There are lots of stars to choose from. What would you choose?
Let me think. I'm going to add a rainbow ring and a bluebird ring.
Alright, I'll add a pearl ring and a star ring.
Great choices.
For our next exercise, we're going to open our fingers out with a nice stretch. And now we roll them in one at a time, just like this.
And let's warm up our arms too.
Yes, we stretch our arms up and out, looking at our beautiful rings.
That's nice. I like that. Let's try it now with the music. Oh, thanks, Wonderwall.
Ready to begin?
Open and close. Open and close. Open and close. Roll your fingers in. Open and close. Open
stretch our arms up to look at our beautiful rings. Great job, everyone. Let's go again. Aren't they beautiful?
Into our hearts, stretch out. Into our hearts, stretch out. You're doing so well, everyone. Mix your magic. Now spread your arms out.
Open and close, open and close, open and close, roll your fingers in. Open and close, open and close, open and close, roll fingers in. In our ballet classes, we've been doing lots of dances with butterflies. Do you remember?
Yes, we've had beautiful butterfly wings to warm up our arms and a lovely butterfly dance.
Yes, that's right.
You know, there's lots of ways to fly, and some of them you don't even need wings.
What do you mean?
Well, if you're in a rocket ship, you don't really need wings.
Well, that's true.
Yes, you'd blast off into space in your spaceship.
That would be fun to do for our adventure today.
Okay, will you come with us? To go on our adventure, we'll need to mix our magic and go to a rocket launch pad.
Okay, let's mix our magic. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Mix our magic and go to a rocket launch pad. This is so awesome.
Okay, rockets, let's get ready. Let's crouch down, ready to blast off into space.
We're going to need a countdown.
Have you done a countdown before? A countdown goes backwards.
Let's count down backwards from 10.
Ready?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! We're shooting up into space. We need some more power. We're breaking through the world's atmosphere. Great job, everyone. Let's explore space. There's so many interesting things out here. We're getting ready to land on the moon. How exciting! How great was it that we landed on the moon? We should definitely go back and have another adventure on the moon soon.
Absolutely. There's so many things to discover in space.
Now that we've done our warming up, it's time to start our ballet class.
And look, it's our ballet classroom. Thanks, Wonderwall.
Alright, let's get ready to turn into dancers.
Esha, can we do it a little differently today?
Sure, that sounds like fun. What are you thinking?
We could add a beautiful tippy-toe turn.
Oh, that does sound nice.
Okay, you close your eyes, Esha, and we'll turn into dancers. Ready to do it with me? We start the drum roll.
I'll close my eyes.
Let's do a turn.
1, 2, 3. Turn into a dancer, let me see. Oh, beautiful, everyone. You have your feet in first position and your arms in bra-bar.
Thank you.
But wait, you didn't do your turn.
Yes, we did. You just had your eyes closed.
Oh, well, that's true. But I'd like to see it.
Let's start for drum roll.
Get ready to turn into a dancer. 1, 2, 3.
Turn into a dancer, let's see.
Beautiful job.
Now we are all ready for our ballet class. And we begin with our demi-plies.
Today we're going to do our exercise a little bit differently. We are going to add a tippy-toe turn into our exercise today, just like we did when we turned into dancers.
Are you ready to give it a try? We place our feet in first position, our hands on our hips, and, oh yes, a tall back to begin. Thanks, Wonderwall. Oh, what lovely music.
Try the exercise with us.
Here we go.
We start with 3 demi-plies. 2. Well done, everyone. Number 3. Now bring our arms to first position, second position, and back on our hips. 1 more plie. And a tippy-toe turn around. 2 butterfly arms. To start again.
3 demi-plies. Number 2. And number 3. First position, second position, back on our hips. 1 more demi-plie. Tippy-toe turn. This time, 1 pair of butterfly wings, and we put our hands in a bra to finish. Well done adding a tippy-toe turn into our exercise.
So far with our ballet arms, we've learned 3 positions. Do you remember what they are?
First, we learnt bra, just like this.
Good. Then we learnt the first position of our arms. Do you remember? We blew up a big balloon to catch it.
It looks like this.
And in our last class, we learnt the second position of our arms. Could you show that to us too, please?
Sure, it looks like this.
Super! Do you remember we pretended to hug a giant teddy bear when we learnt this position? Today, we're going to be learning the 5th position of our arms. I'm sure you've seen it before. All the ballet dancers use it.
It's such a pretty position. It looks like this.
For our exercise today, let's blow up our balloons again. And let's add the 5th position of our arms into the exercise.
Ballet arms are a lovely exercise to practice.
We take 3 big breaths to blow up our balloon and catch it.
Let's all give it a try. Join in with us. I'll start with 3 big breaths.
Now it's my turn.
Together now.
Now give it a little tickle under the arms to make it nice and lifted. Oh look, our balloon's floating up towards the sky.
And look, it's our 5th position. Oh no, it's floating away.
That's okay, let it float away and we'll bring our arms back down to bra.
It's great that we know so many ballet arm positions. Great job, everyone.
Next, we are going to practice our rises.
This is an exercise that we have done before. Join in with us and see if you remember.
Remember to keep it nice and smooth.
We start with our feet placed together in parallel, a nice tall back and hands on hips.
Ready to begin?
Let's start. We rise up and down. Rise up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Tippy-toe turn to the side. Now the other side. Turn all the way around. Bend our knees to finish.
Well done!
Girls and boys, have you had a chance to learn any of our dances?
We use some of the steps we have learned in our ballet classes to learn a dance.
Dance adventures are a lot of fun. The Wonderwall sends us a clue basket so we can guess what our dance adventure would be.
Then we create our story and dance, and the Wonderwall creates our adventure land for us to dance in.
Would you like to see some of our dances? Wonderwall, can you show us some of the dances we have learnt so far, please?
This one is our bunny dance.
Look, here we use our sautés and our pliés.
And some tippy toes too. You can learn the bunny dance too. With all of the classwork and exercises you've done with us now, it will be really easy for you.
What's this one, Wonderwall? Oh yes, it's our butterfly dance.
Here we are using our butterfly arms. We learnt those in episode 1 and our transfer of weight.
That was from episode 2's ballet class. Oh, and look, there are our tippy toes again.
Do you like our dances? We have lots of fun discovering our clues and putting our dances together.
And learning the steps and exercises in our classes makes learning the dances much easier. All right, now I know what we should do for our next exercise. Tippy toe walks.
Thanks, Wonderwall. Esha, let's ask the teddies if they want to join in with this exercise. They did want to join in with us today.
Great idea, Anais. Would you like to have your teddy bear join in too?
Here you go. Now remember, Ted, I'll keep you nice and safe at my tummy.
Follow along with this exercise for our tippy toe walks.
Are we all ready? We walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bend your knees, head side and side. Walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bend your knees, head side and side. Tippy toe turn to start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bend our knees, head side and side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bend our knees, side, side, tippy toe turn. To finish, how did your teddy go? Did they have fun? We've learnt a lot of new exercises today.
Can we do one more?
Sure, Esha, we can try our sotes. Oh, we still have our teddies. Ted, did you enjoy our class today? You did? That's lovely. Well, we better put you down to rest and enjoy the rest of it.
You can put your teddies away too, so they can watch the rest of our class.
Today, we will be practicing our sotes with our feet in first position, just like we have done before.
Ready to try it with the music? Let's go.
Bend our knees slowly and jump, jump, jump and clap. Bend our knees slowly and jump, jump, jump and clap. Bend our knees slowly and jump, jump, jump and clap. Bend our knees slowly and jump, jump, jump and clap. Well done!
We've had another lovely class today.
We've learnt a lot of new exercises.
There was our new feet warm-up and finger exercise. And our tippy toe turn as we turned into a dancer. Oh, and we learnt the 5th position of our arms as well.
We had fun and we hope you enjoyed it too.
To finish, we do our cool down.
We start by reaching our hands all the way up to the sky. Try and touch it. Now slowly through your backs, roll down to the ground. Try and touch your toes if you can. Now slowly roll up through your backs.
We put our feet in first position and our hands on our hearts for some deep breaths. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. Last time, in and out.
Now we finish by bringing our magic into our hearts and keep it there.
And keep it safe there with all of our happy thoughts.
Great! Well, that's it for our class today.
Remember to have a lovely drink of water when we are finished, so we rehydrate after all of our exercising.
And come and find out what dances we've been learning with the Wonderwall.
You can find them in our Learn a Ballet Dance section of our website.
Thanks so much for dancing with us today. Bye for now and see you soon!